Hi! In this tutorial video, we'll go over how to add a voiceover to your scenes. It's quite easy. You will need to have either your built-in microphone turned on or an external microphone plugged into your computer to do this. And then all you have to do is place your playhead where you want the voiceover to begin. Click the microphone button and begin speaking. So here we go. Hi, welcome to my private island. And then click the microphone button to stop recording. Now you can, if you'd like, trim the audio a bit. Like here's some silent that at the beginning that we don't necessarily need in case there's background noise. And then same, you can do that. And then you can drag and drop it if you didn't like the positioning of it. I think that will be fine there. Hi, welcome to my private island. Okay, you can do the same thing on your next scene. So here she is. And we're just going to click the microphone and get going. And there she is doing her yoga, meditating. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.